Let's see how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Just come here to settings, then tap on your picture. And from here, you're gonna see iCloud. And here you see the storage that's available. Right now I have 10.2 gigabytes of 50 that I have available on my iCloud. If you don't have space enough, you need to buy more space on iCloud. And here you see that it saves to iCloud, or my photos, my password, messages, mail, and everything else. And here the details, iCloud backup, it's green here, which means it's good. And it was backed up 17 hours ago. And I can come here and just tap on it. And here I can check my iPhone. You see here that I have iPhone and also an iPad. From here, I can check the backup size, how much is going to back up, and the apps that I want to back up as well. I just need to check everything here and I'm good to go. And if I want to manually back up, I just need to click here, backup now, and I'm good to go. I'm just wait for the backup to finish and it's done. So basically that's the way you can back up your iPhone to iCloud. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.